Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how we can implement a complete smooth particle hydrodynamic simulation from scratch using simple JavaScript and HTML. The simulation you see here on my screen is something you can build after this tutorial. The whole simulation is also part of my recent published book. Link is in the video description, but more to that later. Okay, so let me show you what we're going to build in this tutorial series. We start with a grid of particles. At this point, all they do is measure how crowded each one is. Then we add pressure and the crowded ones push apart. You can see the particles are now moving a little bit. Then we will add viscosity. We will add gravity, and the whole pile will fall down. But you can see that everything is just like a gassy fluid. There is no coherent motion, and this will change. After this one, after we are adding gravity, we will add viscosity. I will show you how we can add XSPH viscosity. And after adding this, the fluid simulation is now, well, it actually acts like a fluid. And after this, we will take a look how we can add some surface tension. Here the red particles are like are like the surface particles or the surface of the actual fluid, and we need to calculate those surface points to be able to do a surface tension in 2D. Also in 3D, but in 2D it's a little bit different. And then after this one, we will add our hash grid. We did also in my other tutorial. I will not go into details about hash grids this time. We will just use the same code as I have in my other tutorial about fluid simulation. We will basically use the exact same class, but when we come to this one, I will of course mention it, and I will show you where to get it from. And then a really special one, we will add multi-phase fluids. The blue one in this case is a lot heavier than the yellow one, and you will see that the yellow one is at the end it will rest on the blue fluid. And this is everything for this tutorial. It is actually quite a lot what we're gonna do. It will have approximately like 20, I guess, episodes, but we will cover everything, basics, like every basic of smooth particle hydrodynamics, from kernels, different gradients, and all of this. After this tutorial, you will have a really solid understanding how you can implement smooth particle hydrodynamics by your own, and you will actually understand how it works. Then you can also extend to other methods like PCI SPH or predictive corrective incompressible SPH, or other methods like DF SPH, divergence-free SPH, and other fluid methods. Okay, and this is everything for this small overview. As I said earlier, if you are interested in the other methods like predictive, corrective, iterative SPH, implicit, incompressible SPH, how you can implement divergence-free SPH, and position-based fluids, all of those methods are also in my book. I also tried to explain it as best as I can, and it is implemented incrementally with the source available at GitLab. You can take a look at any time. It is in my video description. I really hope I can do this teaching stuff and showing how the simulation works in general as a full-time in the future. So feedback is always, I'm always happy to get some feedback. And this is everything. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the first episode of this really, really cool tutorial. So have a nice day, and bye bye.